just created an AI agent which actually goes ahead and posts on my behalf on my personal social media platform, be it LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, or X. So this AI agent actually uses Google's all AI studio tools, which is Google Gemini, Google Flow Banana, Google everything under the Google AI Studio which is available. It uses that all those tools and actually goes ahead and generates the images, text, captions, and post, and generates the images and goes ahead and posts on my social media. So how do you do that? Let me just give you a quick demo of this new AI agent and stay till the end to get the JSON file of this particular AI agent template as well. So I go ahead and this is the workflow and I fill in the form which is here. So I just fill this form. So here's the form. So here's the form as it asks AI content uploader, give a topic that just AI will do the stuff. So basically I can put any topics which I want to generate the social media post for. So for example, I want to generate a social media post for Google AI Studio, all tools mentioned in one. Okay, so I do that and I just click on submit and let my AI agent do the rest of the stuff now. Show you the backend now. So this is the backend and you can see the execution succeeded, and as soon as I fill the form, it actually does the thing. I filled this form which I just showed you, and after that I have given a wait node where it waits for 5 seconds and then processes the further step. But before that I will show you, because I have already received an email, so I'll show you what email I have received. So it's the workflow and I've already received an email. It's 4:36 p.m. right now and you can see over here. So I'll click on this. This is the email which we have just received and you can see it has given me the social media content which is Facebook captions, along with it Instagram caption, then LinkedIn caption, then Pinterest caption, then tweet caption, then threads caption as well. And this is the image it has generated, and if I click on regenerate, it is gonna go ahead and regenerate, and if I click on approve, it will go ahead and post on my behalf on my social media platforms. So if I show you, this is the backend and what I had inputted in, and now processing further. Now the next node I'll show you, I'll come on to the editors mode. In the next processing, in the node after the wait node we have added is an information extractor node, which basically extracts the text from the prompt which we have just given. It extracts that and then again it uses Google Gemini 2.5 Flash for extracting the information based on the prompt we have given. From here, it actually uses the next information extractor, which is it extracts information for generating the image. It is going to be using Google tools, so it has used Nano Banana, but you can see I have used OpenRouter over here. If you're not aware what OpenRouter is, I've already recorded a video on what OpenRouter is about, for which you can find the link somewhere over here. OpenRouter is basically you don't have to go to multiple LLMs to generate their API keys, so you just log in onto OpenRouter. If I show you my OpenRouter dashboard, it has this much of credits right now. So this is OpenRouter. Basically you get access to multiple LLMs under one roof. So that is why I'm using OpenRouter API key over here. Again, at the backend I'm using Nano Banana as it is showing, and if this is true, then it goes ahead. Basically once the image is generated, it goes ahead. If not, then it will again go back and wait for it and generate the image. It will basically wait for the image to be getting in, and then only it will process further, and then there's an edit. It's gonna format it basically, and then because Nano Banana provides the output base64 format, and for which you need to edit it, and you can see over here it's got a huge lot of data just because the image is of that data. So we got to process that into a binary file, and then it sends an email, and once the email is sent, and if I approve, it's gonna do nothing about it. But if I don't approve, again it's gonna go ahead and do the whole process once again, because you can see I have given it if not approved, you do nothing, and if you not approved, then you again go for the regeneration. And now, as I was mentioning, it will go ahead and post on my social media platforms as well. So once you are done through this workflow, all you have to do is just come over here under the approved node, and you can just simply select for whatever platforms you want to integrate. For example, if you want to integrate go ahead and post it on LinkedIn, just click on create a post. connect your LinkedIn account and select the nodes. So select the drop in the file over here and drop in the text over here, and it will go ahead and post on your behalf on your LinkedIn platform. So it is that easy to create this AI agent. Now, as usual, I'll be providing the JSON file for this particular template in the description box of this particular video here. Don't worry about that, but I'll show you where you'll have to integrate your API keys. So first API key you have to integrate is in this particular tool where you'll have to integrate your Gemini. So all you have to do is just go and search for Google Gemini API keys, and you can just, wherever it is asking you to, just go on to the first this one, the Google AI Studio. This URL you go for, and you generate your API key and you paste it under the N10 node. Okay, so once that is done, this is where you have to integrate your API key, and the second time where you have to integrate your API key is here under the OpenRouter model. So for this, I have already recorded a standalone video, which you can find the link somewhere over here, on how to integrate your API keys on OpenRouter. So you can refer to that and you can integrate your API keys. Make sure you're using the Nano Banana model for generating the image. And apart from this, you just have to connect your Gmail or in this node app so that you can receive these kind of emails, and you will be receiving these emails once you have integrated your Gmail. In case you're not aware how to connect your Gmail, I've already recorded a standalone video for this, so please find the links for this somewhere over here, where I've recorded how you can actually not just connect your Gmail, but you can also connect whole Google suite, be it Google Slides, Google Documents, Google Drive, Google Gmail, Google Calendar, all in one go. How you can do that, I've already recorded a separate video. You can do check this video link over here, and you can integrate your Gmail, and that's it. These are the only 3 pointers, which is 1, 2, and 3, where you have to integrate your API keys, and this particular thing will be running as it is into your systems once you download the JSON file from the video description below. So this is how amazing it is to have AI plugged in into your system. So I hope now this particular JSON template is ready to use for you guys. You can import it and you can customize it as per your requirements. If you want any specific customization, whatever customizations you require, you have something specific to request, don't forget to comment that in the comment section box, because these videos are coming out just for you guys so that I can provide value to you. But yeah, your comments and your love and sharing this video just motivates us to bring more valuable content. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and share this video to someone who is a graphic generator, because this is a game changer. This is gonna do the 70% of the task for a graphic designing person, and not just for a graphic person, but also for someone who is running a social media management agency, or he or she is or even running an agency. For them as well, this particular AI agent can actually do the 70% of the task. At least you have the overview, and then you can proceed further, because obviously human has to be in the loop when we are into the AI era, because 100% handing it over to the AI is just not possible. We have not reached that level, but yeah, we are soon gonna be reaching that level because we are still here under the processes. So that's all about it in this particular video, and please comment your learnings in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.